Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to a new coin hunt. This is an animal coin hunt and it's been designated Animal Coin Hunt 31. First coin that we see is an Australian 1 cent coin from 1978. On this side we have Her Majesty the late Queen Elizabeth II. We have the country plus the year. On the reverse we have the value of 1 cent. We also have a feather-tailed gliding possum. The mintage of this coin is 97,253,000. Next coin also shows Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. It is from New Zealand. It is a 10 cent coin from 2006. On this side we have the portrait of the Queen, the country and the year that the coin was issued. On the reverse side we have the value plus a Maori mask. I believe it is an animal mask, but I can't be 100% sure. The mintage is 140,200,000. It's either that or he mistakenly got into this animal coin hunt, which is a possibility, of course. This next coin is from Tanzania. It's a 100 shilling coin from 1994. The obverse shows Julius K. Nyerere, I think it is, and that's N-Y-E-M-E-R-E. On the front, along with the country name. On the reverse of this we have the value of 100 shillings. We have the year and 4 running antelope, the antelope being impalas. There are no mintage figures for this coin. This next coin is Slovenia. It is a 1 tolar coin from 1993. On this side we have the value, the country and the year. On the reverse we have 3 swimming trout, which are brown trout, with the value. The mintage for this 1993 coin is 30,015,000. The next coin, there we go. This next coin is Namibia. Yep, it's Namibia, and it is a $1 coin from 2010. We have the coat of arms of Namibia, the year and the country name. On the reverse we have a diamond, a triangular pattern going round the left hand side of the coin. We have the value of $1. Then we have the eagle sat on a branch. The eagle is a bachelor eagle. That's B-A-T-E-C-H-U-E-R. There is no mintage for this particular coin available. This coin is a coin from the Seychelles Islands. It's a 1 rupiah coin from 2016. On this side you have the coat of arms, the year and the country, and on the reverse of this you have the king butterfly and the value. There we go. There are no mintage figures available for this coin. Next coin is a very light aluminium coin from Indonesia. It's from 2003 and it's a 200 rupiah. We have the eagle from Indonesia on the coat of arms, the year and the country on this side. And on the reverse we have the value of 200 rupees, and also the bird that is shown is a minor bird. These birds do have a tendency to mimic people. Very good mimics they are too. The next coin is South African in date, in South African designed coin. It's a £2 coin from 2010. On this side we have the coat of arms, the year and the country. The reverse shows a antelope type figure called the Greater Kudu. That's K-U-D-U. The mintage for this £2 coin is 29 million. The next coin on here is another aluminium coin from Indonesia. We have the coat of arms, the country and the year on this side. Again, it is aluminium. It's a lightweight coin. And there we go. There's the 100 rupiah. It's from the year 2000. And it is a black palm cockatoo. A black palm cockatoo is the actual bird variety. There is no mintage for this coin. The next is another aluminium coin which is scalloped edged. It is from the Bahamas. It is a 10-cent coin from the year 2000. On this side we have the coat of arms of the country and also the year, I believe, as well. Yes, the year as well on the bottom there. And then on the top here on the reverse side we have fish plus the value. Now the fish are referred to as bonefish. I'd never heard of that variety of fish either, but apparently they're bonefish. Okay, we're down to the last few coins. I think there's 5 in all. And the first one is a $1 coin from Mexico from the year 2018. It's also known as a 1 peso coin. It seems to have the $1 way of writing it, but it's known as a peso. On the reverse we have the eagle and the snake fighting, which is part of the COA. You also have the country name and the laurel. For this 1 peso / $1 coin, the mintage is 681,579,854. So quite a high mintage coin. This next one is a Croatian coin. It is a 1 kuna coin from 1995. You have the bird on the front with the year as well as the country name, and the bird being a nightingale. On the reverse you have the great thing of having 2 animals on this coin, because behind the 1 kuna is a pied martin. The mintage for this 1995 1 kuna coin is 33,707,000. We have 3 coins left on this hunt. The next one is, or shows, the portrait of Her late Majesty Elizabeth II. The country is the Cayman Islands. It is a 5-cent coin and the year is 2013. So we have the Queen, the country and the year on this side. On the reverse we have the value as in the number 5, and it is a Cayman crayfish. There are no mintage figures for this coin. We have 2 more coins left. The first one is an Italian coin going back to the 1950s, in fact to 1955. On this side you have the rudder and the country name of Italy, and on the reverse here we have the value of 5 liras, we have the 1955 year date, and we also have a picture of a stylized dolphin. The mintage for this coin is 159 million. So that's a 159 million. Again, it's an aluminium coin. And the last coin of this hunt is this one here. It's from Barbados. It's a 10-cent coin from 2004. We have the country name, the coat of arms and the year on this side. Then on the reverse we have the value and a seabird, which is possibly a laughing gull. There are no mintage figures for this coin. I say possibly a laughing gull, it's probably a laughing gull, to be honest. As that's what one or two of the sites say it is. I have bagged up the coins and they're ready for me to look at and flip when I have a few moments. If you've enjoyed this animal coin hunt, please give me the thumbs up, it doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you are not yet subscribed, as approximately 50% of the people who watch my channel are not subscribed at this moment in time, could you seriously think about doing so? I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes. Oh. I apologise for that, my battery ran out, so as I said, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye for now. Ta-da now.